Welcome back, guys. What a day it was today. Yesterday, we were discussing about being bullish on both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and today exactly it played out that way. Of course, in the morning, it did go a bit lower, but then from there, it smartly recovered and what a recovery. But let's first discuss on Bank Nifty, Nifty, and Nifty. So let's dive in. This is the daily chart of Bank Nifty, and we can clearly see it's a bullish engulfing. And if you see this particular channel, Bank Nifty has been following this particular channel for quite some time. This is 17th of January when HDFC Bank results came out, and this was the gap down, and post that market, like Bank Nifty has been within this particular channel since then. Every time it touches here, there is a bounce. Every time it touches the lower support of this particular rising channel, there is a bounce. Today also we saw the same. Now let's go on a 15-minute time frame. Coming to 15-minute time frame, yesterday we were discussing about the rising channel breakout. The rising channel breakout, as I mentioned, it would give us somewhere around 680 to 700 points up move. This is another smaller channel where we saw a strong breakout of this particular candle around 2 o'clock, and the target of that particular channel is around 48,250. But interestingly, there is another pole and flag which is under formation. There is no breakout yet, and we'll see whether it gives a flat opening and then gives a breakout, or it opens with the gap up itself. We will discuss about those things, but first things first, you guys would want to know what happened. So this was our Friday's low. Market definitely broke that low, but after that it made a small W, if you could see this, and there was a clean breakout, and post that we saw a single side rally. Of course, this was just a pullback. This was first pullback, and from there market gave a strong up move. So for those of you who have captured this particular up move, congratulations to them, and please comment on if you have captured this particular move and whether you have captured the W on the lower range. Now, in case of Bank Nifty, we are currently waiting for this particular pole and flag. Now remember, there are bullish patterns under picture. On 15-minute we did see a W. On daily we saw a bullish engulfing as well. So now let's discuss tomorrow's trade plan. Simple and effective. First, in case if it opens flat and it moves within this particular range and then gives a breakout, which is about 47,800 zones, 47,820, then we are going to go simply long. And now remember, this particular pole and flag targets are also going to be very huge. Now, since the volatility has increased, today India VIX went all the way till 20. So in that case, what we will do, we will just split this particular target into two parts. Let's assume this is a 650 point target. So what we can do, we can simply divide it into 325 and 325, and that's how we plan to book our targets. Because remember, during higher wicks, it might so happen that the full targets of the patterns may or may not achieve. So always book partial in the first target and trail the remaining. Or if at all you are aggressive, then what you do, you can trail the entire quantity the moment it achieves the first target. So this was planned for flat opening, simply means you have to go long. Now let's assume if it opens gap up, which mostly looks like, given the strong closing on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's say if it opens gap up around 48,100, first wait it out, let it cool off a bit around 47,850 or 47,900. Just let it come down 100 or 150 points lower, and then when it makes a reversal, then that's where you can actually take a long position. For some reason, if it opens gap down, which is somewhere around 47,600 or 47,500, then most likely market might remain volatile in this particular region, and we won't go aggressively long unless this particular high is taken out, which is 47,820. Okay, but remember, the dips will get bought into in case we see some strong dip at this range. So we are keeping the plan simple. And if you ask me, my bias since yesterday, it's been bullish, and I'm expecting either a flat opening or mild gap up. Let's see how it opens tomorrow. Coming to Nifty, what we can clearly see again on the daily time frame, there is a rising channel, and it has been taking supports near the lows of this particular channel, and today it made a strong pin bar. It's a very clean, strong pin bar. Now let's go and check on the 15-minute. On the 15-minute, what we can clearly see, again, it broke Friday's low, but after that, it made a W, gave a breakout, and then what a strong rally. Again, in this case, there is a pole and flag in place, and tomorrow we'll see if we get a breakout, and then we will trade for the targets of this pole and flag. Again, the same thing applies. We will definitely split the targets into two parts because VIX has been rising. Now I have marked a small two targets of this particular channel breakout as well. You can refer the same. I'll post it on my timeline in Twitter. So I've mentioned the supports and resistance as well. Coming to tomorrow's trade plan, let's say if it opens flat, let it hover here. The moment it breaks above this particular level, we can go long and we can play for targets of 22,000, and the second target would be somewhere around this particular juncture or maximum around 22,365, somewhere near closer to 22,400. Let's say if for some reason there is a gap down around 22,000 or 22,050, in that case most likely it might remain volatile and we won't go long unless today's high is taken out. Looking at the strong closing of Nifty and Bank Nifty, looks more like we might open with a gap up. In case we do that, in case let's assume we are opening somewhere around 22,200, let the market first come down a bit around this level 22,100 to 22,150 zones. From there, if it makes a reversal, that's where we are going to go long. Okay, so it's the simple trade plan, and the trade plan remains same for both Bank Nifty and Nifty. Last but not the least, let's even discuss Fin Nifty. Fin Nifty's channel breakout is done and the target is also achieved. So the only pattern that remains is on daily there is a bullish engulfing in case of Fin Nifty as well, and on 15-minute time frame we can clearly see this particular pole and flag pattern. So if at all we open flat and break above this particular 21,300 levels, we will go long for targets of, these are the smaller targets although, however the bigger target would be somewhere around 21,500 zones. And if it, and I'll post the targets, don't worry, I'll try to post it during market hours. If at all for some reason Fin Nifty opens the big gap of around 21,100 or 21,150 levels, then most likely it will remain volatile and we won't go long unless it crosses up today's high, which is 21,300 zone. Now looking at the strong closing on all three indices, if at all it opens with a gap up around 21,300, 350, then let it come down a bit, and then when it takes a U-turn, that's where you will go long. So the trade plan remains the same across three indices. Hope this has helped. If this particular video has helped you, please hit the like button. चलिए हम हिंदी में भी फटाफट इसको रैप अप करते हैं. हिंदी में इस चीज को हम जल्द से रैप अप करते हैं. तो ये जो बैंक निफ्टी की जो राइजिंग चैनल है डेली में, इसी को बिल्कुल अच्छे से रेस्पेक्ट कर रहा है. आज उसके बिल्कुल आसपास आके स्ट्रॉन्ग बाउंस दिया है. अगर आप देखोगे डेली में एक बुलिश एनगल्फिंग कैंडल दिखेगी आपको. 15 मिनट में चलते हैं तो 15 मिनट में चैनल का ब्रेकआउट हुआ. ये एक छोटी चैनल है ब्लू कलर की, उसकी चैनल की ब्रेकआउट का मैंने टारगेट्स रखा है. ये बड़ी चैनल का टारगेट्स मैंने अब तक पोस्ट नहीं किया है और मुझे थोड़ा सा वेट करके उसको पोस्ट करना है. बट उसके अलावा हमारे पास एक और बुलिश पैटर्न फॉर्मेशन हुई है यहाँ पर, जो कि पोल एंड फ्लैग है. हालांकि इसकी ब्रेकआउट अब तक हुई नहीं है. ठीक है, तो कल के लिए क्या करें, सिंपल रखते हैं. तीनों के लिए ट्रेड प्लान सेम रहेगा, तो मैं दोबारा वही चीज रिपीट नहीं करूंगी. तो अगर फ्लैट ओपन होती है और यहाँ पर स्टे करके जैसे ही आज का ये फ्लैग पैटर्न को ब्रेक करता है, आप लॉन्ग जा सकते हो. फिर मैं वहां पर टारगेट्स भी मेंशन कर सकती हूँ. बट अगर आपको टारगेट्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं तो आप ये रेजिस्टेंस के लेवल पर आप देख सकते हो, वहां पर कोई रिजेक्शन या कुछ आ रहा है, आप यहाँ पर या तो बुक कर सकते हो या तो ट्रेल कर सकते हो. ठीक है, दूसरी बात, अगर हम अच्छे कोई गैप अप से ओपन होते हैं समवेयर अराउंड 48 100 के आसपास, तो थोड़ा सा उसको ठंडा होने दीजिएगा, नीचे आने दीजिएगा, और वहां से जब भी ये घूमेगी तब आपको लॉन्ग जाना है. फॉर सम रीजन अगर हम गैप डाउन से खुलते हैं तो मोस्ट लाइकली मार्केट वॉलेटाइल रह सकती है इसी के रेंज में, और आपको लॉन्ग तभी जाना है जब ये आज की जो हाई है उसको ब्रेक करके पार जाती है, तभी आपको लॉन्ग जाना है. अब ये सारे लोस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होंगे. तो 15 मिनट में ये जो लोअर हाई लोअर लोस की जो स्ट्रक्चर चल रही थी उसको ब्रेक कर चुकी है. इसके लिए अब 15 मिनट में भी बाय ऑन डिप्स आ चुकी है. चलिए चलते हैं अब निफ्टी की ओर. निफ्टी में कल तो हमने बहुत ही सिंपल रखा था कि इनसाइड बार का ब्रेकआउट या ब्रेकडाउन के हिसाब से आप ट्रेड ले सकते हो. जैसे ही ब्रेकडाउन हुआ ऑफ कोर्स नीचे आया, बट ये 21,800 बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट से. आपको अगर याद होगा पहले भी अप्रैल 19 को ये इसी के आसपास इसने कहीं ना कहीं सपोर्ट लिया था. बिल्कुल वही से इसने एक डब्ल्यू बनाया है, जैसे बैंक निफ्टी में भी दिखा होगा आपको, इसने बिल्कुल वही डब्ल्यू बनाया है. और क्या अप मूव दिया है इसने. अभी इसमें भी एक पोल एंड फ्लैग बन चुकी है. ऑफ कोर्स इसकी मतलब ब्रेकआउट हुई नहीं है अब तक, और हम वेट कर रहे हैं इसका ब्रेकआउट होने के लिए. तो कल जैसे अगर फ्लैट ओपन होता है तो हम लॉन्ग जाएंगे. अगर गैप अप ओपन होते हैं तो थोड़ा सा हम वेट करेंगे, थोड़ा सा कूल ऑफ होने के लिए, और जैसे यू टर्न लेंगे हम वापस लॉन्ग जाएंगे. अगर गैप डाउन खुलता है तो जब तक आज की हाई नहीं निकलती है तब तक हम थोड़ा सा साइडवेज के लिए प्लान कर सकते हैं. अब चलते हैं फिन निफ्टी की ओर, बिकॉज टुमारो इज फिन निफ्टीज एक्सपायरी. तो फिन निफ्टी इज ऑल्सो लुकिंग वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एट दिस जंक्चर. और क्या दिख रहा है हमको, फिन निफ्टी में भी एक पोल एंड फ्लैग पैटर्न हो चुकी है. सेम ही हमारा ट्रेड प्लान है जो कि हमने निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी के लिए रखा है. मैंने सारे रेजिस्टेंस और सपोर्ट्स भी मेंशन किए. जैसे ही ब्रेकआउट होगा आई विल पोस्ट द चार्ट्स ऑन ट्विटर एज वेल. तो अगर आपको ये पर्टिकुलर वीडियो पसंद आया होगा और अगर हम आपको हमारी एनालिसिस से कोई हेल्प मिलती होगी तो प्लीज डू हिट द लाइक बटन और कमेंट्स में लिखिएगा आज कितने लोगों ने ये पर्टिकुलर अप मूव को कैप्चर किया है। थैंक यू वेरी मच, बाय बाय, एंड आई सी यू टुमारो।